dear students! My name is Irina and I teach English, German, Spanish, Italian, French and Portuguese. I show people that it's possible to learn any language really fast, and I will show you my method. With me you can learn any language on my YouTube channel, and today we start with German. At my fast class we'll learn pronouns. Let's learn German pronouns and I will show you how to pronounce them correctly. I, ich, close your eyes, let's repeat. Ich, you, du, all together, do, close your eyes, do, good job. Let's review. I, ich, you, du, ich, du, ich, du, ich. He, we vocalize R and we say er. Alright? Ich, du, Ich, du, Close your eyes so you don't see how it's written, but you visually see it in your head. So now we learned 3 pronouns. Let's move on to she. Sie. One more time. Sie. In the beginning, S can be pronounced differently. If we have a vowel after it, we pronounce it like Z. Sie. Sie. Close your eyes. Ich, du, sie. One more time. Ich, du, sie. Let's do vice versa. Sie, du, ich. One more time. Sie, du, ich. Good job. Neutral form. S. S can be it. S can be a neutral gender. Okay, now we know 5 words. Ich, du, sie, es. One more time. Let's do it together. Ich, du, sie, es. Let's do vice versa. Es, sie, du, ich. Take your pen, take your paper and write down 5 pronouns that you learned. All right, we talked about singular pronouns. Ich, du, sie, es. These pronouns are singular. It's just one person. Let's talk about plural form. We will be wir. Wir. We vocalize R in the end. Again, wir. Wir. Good job. You as plural form will be ihr. Alright? Wir, ihr. Ihr, wir. Wir, ihr. Alright? And sie, the last one, will be they. Sie. Look, she and they are the same words. Well, we will know which one when we use the verb. The verb will have different endings, so don't worry, you will not mix them together. Sie, they. Alright, so how do you say we? Wir. How do you say you, plural form? Ihr. How do you say they? Sie. And the last pronoun that I want to teach you will be you as a polite form. For example, you want to tell your teacher, can you help me? And you should be polite. I know that in the English language we say you to everybody. In the German language we will have this form Sie with the capital letter S. And Z will mean that you refer to someone you respect. Yes, can you imagine that Z as she, Z as they, and Z as you polite form is actually one and the same Z? Alright, but we need to learn all of them together right now. To remember all the pronouns better, you have to close your eyes and then say all the pronouns in the right order and then say them vice versa. Alright, are you ready? Let's do it all together. Ready, steady, go! Ich, du, sie, es. Wir, ihr, sie, sie. Let's do it one more time. Ich, du, sie, es. Wir, ihr, sie, sie. Let's do it vice versa. Are you ready? Let's try it. Sie, ihr, wir, es. Sie, du, ich. Let's do it one more time. I know that to do it vice versa is a bit different than to do it in the right order. But we have to do it, so we will memorize them quicker. Alright? Let's do it one more time. Sie, ihr, wir, es. Sie, du, ich. Good job! So guys, today we learned pronouns. We tried to memorize them together, and at our next class we will talk about the verb to be. So you can check this video right now and learn how to say I am Irina and you are Peter, and hey, you're not George, your name is Greg. So thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more, please check out my website. I also have books and video courses, and I have different flashcards. I have everything to teach you any language you want. We are going to be polyglots! Yay! Well, leave me a comment in the section below. I love you!